Hey everybody, Mike here, and as you can obviously see, I'm here in my bathroom, but the reason being is for an important one. I want to show off this new surge protector by Covozon that I just picked up. If you're like me and you're married, and maybe your wife or your kids got multiple appliances, you know that there's not a whole lot of options as far as outlets go. So one of the most important things when connecting multiple devices to that outlet is you want to make sure that it's going to be safe, it's going to be water resistant. Like I said, with this surge protection, if there's anything that trips it out, you don't want it overheating, you don't want it blowing through your devices. So the reason that I picked this one up is for the safety reasons that comes with it. So you can't really tell, but within the outlets, there's a patented design that allow no foreign objects to get in there. So even if you've got younger kids like me and they want to stick their fingers or forks or any kind of tweezer or foreign object, it's not going to be able to get into these plugs and trip that breaker or cause any harm or sparks to that object or to the person holding that object, which is important for me. Also, being in the bathroom, like I said, you're around water. You've got sinks, you've got the bath, you've got the toilet, you've got the shower. There's water everywhere in the restroom. So what's most important in when purchasing this product was behind here, they've got these drainage holes so that if water does get through there, the water will automatically drip through without breaking that circuit. Even if there is a water issue within the circuit or within the plug, it will automatically trip off and there won't be any safety issues there. But on top of it being water resistant and waterproof, it's also got a very high heat retardant value to it, so that if there's a lightning strike or if there's too many objects plugged into it, you don't have to worry about this surge protector overheating or blowing any of your devices. So as you can see here, I've got an Alexa device. I've got a plug for the clock here, but this is my wife's side of the bathroom, and she's got multiple objects such as a hair dryer, hair straightener. So what I wanted to do is, instead of having to pull this in and out and unplug things constantly, I just wanted to have the option where she could just plug something in and out on her own without having to worry about anything. So what I'll do is I'll get this plugged in, I'll show you how everything lights up, we'll go from there. So as you can see here, I've got it plugged in. It's got this really nice ergonomical flat design so it doesn't come protruding out real far. What I'll end up doing is I'll take this and tuck it behind here, but I've just got it down here on the floor. You can see I've got her straightener plugged in, I've got her hair dryer plugged in, you've got the LED light to indicate whether there's power or not, and then there's that little green LED that indicates the surge protection is on and running. So right now we're all plugged in, and my wife will be able to use whatever device she chooses without any hesitation. Got her hair dryer. We've got her straightener turned on here. So she'll be able to operate all of her general maintenance and hygiene devices without worrying about unplugging any other devices that we have there. So super convenient for her. But also what's really cool is on top of the 8 different plugs that you have, you've also got 2 protected USB and Type-C charging devices. So if you don't have the plug, like say for a cell phone or even like a bathroom light or a book light, you can plug those in and charge them there. So really, really awesome design for all of our current technological needs. So as you saw, I had it on the floor. I just wanted to pick up and show you guys how slim and how light it is. I'm really, really happy with this product. I'm super confident that it's going to be safe for my wife or even my children when they're here in the restroom. I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for something just as safe, or if you need multiple devices plugged into your restroom. It doesn't necessarily have to be just in the bathroom. You can use it in an office, a dorm room, a bedroom, tuck it behind a TV, tuck it behind a dresser, because of that flat plug design, and you're able to push your furniture back up to the wall as close as possible. So would highly, highly recommend. You should definitely pick up this product if this is what you're looking for.